Hi, I'm Eric with the Kleen-Rite sales team here. Want to reach out to you guys today. A lot of the conversations that I go through day to day, week to week, and throughout the course of the year is a lot of times customers will ask me, hey, what's new in the vending industry? What's new that I can bring to my customer? What's something different that the guy down the street might not have? And an idea that always kind of popped up in my head that I never really pushed or really pursued was these vending packs. Here at Kleen-Rite, we put together vending packs, multiple different items inside. For instance, this first pack is part number KRK1010. This includes an original sponge pack, this includes a wet towel, and it also includes the black ice tree. It's a way to get a higher ticket dollar item into a vending machine into your customer's hand. These items can also be used through vending machines. Now, the traditional Laurel vendors, you would need a different vending machine. We call them the diaper machines. It's a wider space between the drop-down shelves. There would be 19 of them, 19 different shelves inside there. But again, instead of vending a tree for $1.25, you could vend a packet of these for, let's say, $4.50 or $5. But they are also customizable. So for instance, if you know your customers, hey, they really don't like the black ice tree, they prefer the, let's say, the morning fresh tree, we can definitely make the change. One way these packets can be used is in the tunnel automatics as a giveaway item when somebody buys the top wash. I have a couple customers that when somebody goes through their tunnel and they take the $20 wash, what they'll do is they have a packet they will give them as the top wash. And in that packet, it'll have, let's say, a window cleaner, it'll have the Armor All cleaning sponge pack for the interior, and it'll have an air freshener, or even a microfiber towel. And then what this does is when the customer goes through, the outside of the car looks great, it got cleaned, the right chemicals are used, everything's taken care of, but yet this little packet will give them something that they can clean the inside, get their windows done, get the dash cleaned, get the dust out of the car, and help clean up the interior. So this way they get a full 360 cleaning of their car. Also, these packets can be used in the spiral vendors, your traditional glass front vendors, your mega vendors, some of the clean views. These also fit nicely in the spiral vendor, so you can put a kit in there. Each one of these kits, when ordered, they come in boxes already prepackaged in a 100 count box. So you don't really have to do a big giant, I need 50 boxes, I need 30 boxes. You can buy 5 or 6 of them on hand and have all these products. So as you're running through, you just restack them up in there and you don't have to have a huge giant investment in regards to getting these products in the hands of your customers. And then there's another kit that we have on there. This is a little bit larger. This is going to have your black ice tree. It's going to have your original sponge pack. It's going to have your wet towel. And it's actually going to include a microfiber towel. This is a very, very popular kit, but these two are currently in our catalog on page 51. But again, we can customize these any way you want. If you don't like the black ice, if you want morning fresh trees, we can sub them out for morning fresh. If you don't like the Armor All original packs, we can sub them out with the Armor All cleaner packs. Whatever you want to do, we can work with you. We want to make sure that your customers get taken care of, and more importantly, you're our customers, and we want to make sure you're taken care of.
Kleen-Rite.